How to use two apps at the same time, Samsung. Now if you want to use two apps at the same time on Samsung, it's actually quite simple to do so because your Samsung Galaxy device does allow you to clone apps and use second account for second app. Now not all the apps might be supported for this, but you might at least want to give it a try. Simply open up your settings on your Samsung device and from here go and look for the option called advanced features. Once you go to advanced features, scroll down and look for the option called dual messenger. You can read here, it says sign into a second account in your favorite social apps, so you can do that. So you can see these are some of the available apps. Supported apps will appear here, so I can create a second account for Messenger, Telegram, Facebook. So here you can see I have got one Facebook app and I don't have another. So if I want to clone Facebook app another one, I'll just turn on and then I'll select install a second copy of Facebook. So now I can just go ahead and confirm. If you want to use a separate contact list, you can do that, or you can simply turn that thing off, and once done you can see it says turning on dual messenger, and once you've done that you'll be able to see that the second copy of Facebook app will get successfully installed where I can use another account. So this way you will be able to use two apps at the same time on Samsung. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.